Today we talk about how can you enable answers so comments notifications on your OK app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click on notifications on screen, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here. You come here to answers to comments. You click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean answers to comments enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.